Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about the top 5 dog breeds for single women. If you're a single woman and looking for a canine companion, these breeds might be ideal for you. First we have number 5, the Poodle. This breed is incredibly intelligent and eager to please their owners. They're also highly trainable and make great watchdogs. And next up we have number 4, the Beagle. This breed is small and affectionate, yet still full of energy. Beagles can be easy to train, but they can also be stubborn. And our third choice is the Chihuahua. They're small, loyal and make great lap dogs. Chihuahuas do need a lot of attention. So they're really not ideal for someone who's away for long periods of time. Our second choice is the Greyhound. Greyhounds are gentle and quiet, but they do need plenty of exercise. They're also known for being friendly and devoted to their owners. And here is our number 1, the Labrador Retriever. This breed is friendly, loyal, and affectionate. Labradors are also quite easy to train and are great for a variety of activities. So these are our top 5 dog breeds for single women. We hope you found this helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel and like and share with your friends please. Thanks for watching.